Hey, what's going on? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of this Makita LXT brushless 36-volt blower kit. This is run off of two 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, and it delivers 473 CFM at 120 miles per hour. It is a brushless motor, which is supposed to be better than regular motors. They last longer or whatever. I don't really know much about that. This comes with two batteries and a dual charger. Now I've got a bunch of other Makita tools, which is why I'm going with another Makita tool, and I needed more batteries, so that was one of the reasons I bought this. This kit was $249 on Amazon. I'll put a link for this down in the video description if you want to check it out. Now I did buy this used, so it has been kind of pre-packaged here. You can see it's taped up. So it was a little less than $249. I forget exactly what I paid for it, but if you were going to buy it new on Amazon, it's $249. Sometimes they have used ones though, so check it out. I recently did a video talking about the Makita paddle broom and string trimmer that I bought, so I'll put a link for that video down below as well as a card up top here. So this is going to expand that kit. So let's just open it up and check it out. So right on the box here, it says that it has a 45-minute charging time. One of the reasons why I wanted this kit with two more of these 5 amp hour batteries is when I use the paddle broom, it doesn't last a terribly long time. So I wanted to always have a backup set of batteries on a charger running so that when it runs out, I can swap batteries and still keep working. And what's nice is I can have all these tools out and have one set of batteries charging and one set of batteries out, and I can just swap them out between the tools, whichever one I'm using at the time. All right, so here is the beast itself. Wow, that thing is pretty big, but kind of expected it to be big. And two batteries are already attached. Ooh, it has a little bit of juice already on it. Got two extensions for the pipe, some reading material, which we may or may not get into, and the charger, and that's everything that comes with it. So here is the dual charger. I've got one of these for that paddle broom kit I was just talking about. So it's got lights that light up here, tell you, right here, it explains what the different colors and flashing and not flashing or whatever means. And it also has a USB port on the front, so you can like charge your phone or something. So that's pretty cool. Let's open these guys up. Now this is kind of like a thin plastic. It doesn't feel like super duper sturdy. So I'm a little bit concerned about that. The end of the pipe here is not perfectly round. I don't know if that's because I bought a used one or what, but it's got a little warpage to it. Don't think it's going to be a big deal, but we're going to find out right now. Give this thing a slide on there. Huh, looks like it's got a bunch of different settings for lengths. So you could have it there, you could slide it further. Kind of put it wherever you want as far as the length goes. I don't really know why you would want to do that, but okay. Oh, okay. Whoop. And then on the top here, there's actually like a little map that shows you with an arrow. So when you're putting it on, you know where it has to go in the right spot. So I'm just going to put it all the way on, just so I know that it's on as far as it can go. All right, and this other end only has two slots. So that's it with all of the extensions all the way in. So, it's like right at ground level. I don't know really why you would want it to be out all the way, but let's check it. So that's with all the extensions all the way out. So it's longer, closer to the ground. I don't know. It also looks like it has variable speed control, so that's cool. If you can see right there, there's a battery indicator button, so these ones are pretty low. I've got my other batteries that are the same size charging already, so I'm going to swap batteries and we'll go give this thing a try, and I'll put these batteries on the charger. All right, so I just got those other batteries off the charger. As you can see here, those are fully lit up, so this is fully charged, ready to go. All right, so last night I did some weed whacking here, and you could see the grass is all sitting on here, and I just want to try to blow it off of this walkway a little bit. So we're going to give this a shot. I'm going to start on the lowest setting, and then I'll work my way up to the highest setting. So lowest setting's pretty low, doesn't really do a whole lot. How many does it go up to? It goes up to 6. So let's try it on 3. 3 does pretty good. It's actually blowing some rocks too. So let's try it on 6 just to see how powerful it is. Yeah, 6 is pretty powerful. It's actually, you can see they're blowing the rocks right off the driveway here. So there is a lot of power in this thing. So I'm really curious to see how long the batteries are gonna last on this. That'll be the true test. But as far as power goes, there's plenty of power to do what I gotta do. I mean, like I said, it's blowing the gravel right off the path here. So I'm gonna lower it back down to 3 and I'm just gonna clear off this path. All right, so I'm really satisfied with this thing. I'm a little bit surprised at how powerful it actually was, and that on the highest setting, it was like too much for what I needed. So yeah, I give it 2 thumbs up. So if you want to check one of these out, you want to get one for yourself, check out my Amazon link down in the video description. If you use that link, you can help support this channel because I do get a small commission from every sale. If you're interested in more videos like this, then subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. That way you can be notified when I release new videos, and I will probably do an updated video with this in the fall once the leaves fall and I can try this out on a more heavy-duty application. If you got any questions or comments, leave them down below in the comments section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.